I'm Martin and this is my 1984 Kip Caravan which I bought back in April of 2023, and the challenge for the next couple of months will be to turn it into an off-grid camper. This is going to be one hell of an experience full of many downs and lows, costly repairs and many trials and errors. Make sure you follow my journey while transforming this caravan into my dream tiny home on wheels.
Let's see how much I'm going to fuck it up. Yeah. Kinda forgot that before I start gluing the middle panel, I had to jack up the Caravan so I can lift it up from the A-frame. However, I find out that my car jack-up would work out for me, and I don't have these fancy hydraulic jacks, so I have to hack it up just for a bit. That would work. Okay. Something like that. Here. And if I slide this thing here, maybe put this piece on top. And now pray for the God if I roll down the wheel again, the Caravan should hold on top of the... So I have to figure out something else. top decorating will be the hardest part. Shit. You see this bend here? Yeah, I will remember this for the rest of my life. Fuck me. I knew that I won't get away with something that I would fucked up. God damn it. But anyway, I'll think about it for a bit and probably later on will forget about it. Third time lucky, they say. I think I kinda get that line finally. Kinda get the line here. Maybe if I try on the other side, I'll get there. Número 2.
So I finally did it. Oh man. Uh, it was quite a fight with these aluminum sheets. I don't know what I thought that I'm gonna make it and I'm gonna do it all by myself. But yeah, it was quite a fight, quite a struggle to line up both of the aluminum sheets and also to make it even on each side, because again I know it looks kind of weird from the sides, but all of this will be cut and it will be bent over, so all the water that will go, it will just go flowing without without making these gaps here like the original pieces here. And that's why I'm wanting to bend it over so all the water stream from the rain would slide on the sides. We'll see eventually if I'm going to paint these panels, if I'll have the energy and the, I don't know, the time to paint it all together. But for now, at least I'm happy that it's finally done. I mean, I'm far from completing the whole job, but at least now, as you can see from inside, these two panels are finally covered. But yeah, I'm actually quite happy with the results. I know, again, I have so much to do. I have 3 more pieces that should go over the top, and this whole thing here will be covered in new aluminum sheets, and obviously these sides will be covered as well. But yeah, I think that will be for the next couple of weekends. But for this weekend, I'm pretty pleased with myself that I finally covered this. I'm getting somewhere. We'll see. We'll see. I'm really going to sleep because I'm really tired, and it's, I believe, past midnight. So yeah, it's almost midnight. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.